I got this beautiful gift from Renfio. So they sent me this package to make the video on my channel. So I would like to share with you the products that they sent and what they have in the package and how to use it. And finally I will show you a painting using this glitter. So they have this 32 set color glitter set, and this is the chunky fine mixed glitter, an ultra fine glitter powder, and this one is chunky and fine mixed glitter. So these are the things that they sent me, and I would like to thank Renfio for giving me the opportunity to use their products for free and make a video on how to use this glitter to make beautiful paintings. So I'm going to stop talking and I will let you enjoy the products from Renfio. So these are the 32 colors that I showed you, and the I put the description to buy these on my description of the video. You could check it out. Now I will show you how to make a beautiful artwork out of these glitter pieces, which you will love it. I will show you sample of how this glitter looks. This fine ones with 32 colors. So I will open this. This one is dark magenta. I will show you how it looks. And make sure to wash hands after you do the artwork with fine glitter. And this is the chunky glitter that I showed you. This is little bigger grains than the other fine glitter that I showed you earlier. This one is again fine. I will show you how to make a beautiful cell phone case using this glitter. So first we draw